You guys say hi to the... Say hi. Hi. Okay.
Let's open.
We're gonna open the Easter slime kit. Okay. Alright, let's open it up and see everything that's inside. Oh, what's this? Little ears. Maybe that goes to the box. Oh, and what is this? Comes in a neat little Tupperware. Let's open it up. Let's see. Oh. What color is that? Blue.
Let's do this one now.
Okay.
You
Wow.
can have one. This is orange.
Poke it. Ooh, slimy.
Poke, 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 poke.
You poking yours?
Yeah, this one's so slimy.
Wow, stretchy too.
Yeah.
You want to open a different color, Lumen?
No. I want to open another pink though.
You just want to open all the pink ones. You know, there's other colors in the rainbow too.
I just like pink. I'm not even that strong.
Green.
Cool, cool. No.
Ew. Slimy.
Ew, it's so slimy.
Ooh. You can just pull it right out.
Mix it.
Oh, you are? You're mixing green and
Orange.
orange. What's this you got going over here in pink slime land? Oh, you got some purple in there too, huh? Look at that huge slime ball. Oh my goodness.
He's mixing his.
Yeah, you mixed pink and purple, and Lumen has mixed orange and green. What's that doggy
Pink
doing?
and purple mix.
Just a different shade of pink and purple. They're very close.
Alright, well,
Is
sorry, I want to color.
this weird?
All right, Sissy wants another pink egg. All right. Crack it open. There it goes.
Ooh. So cool. It makes the egg shiny. Mommy, can I have green?
Wow. All right, Lumen. Let's open blue.
Yay!
It's opening. Let's crack it. Oh, blue, you take it, sweetie. Whoa! Just a second, okay? Mixing up the blue with the green and the orange. You look like you're making a little cake. A rainbow slime cake. Wow.
It's actually a burrito. A rainbow slime burrito.
Burrito.
I'm mixing it.
Ooh, get that handprint in there, Lumen. All right.
I want to make a handprint too. You got my handprint.
Let's see it. Whoa.
I still want to play with the slime. It's so fun.
Once. Good job, Sissy.
Wow.
Whoa. Thanks.
He's making a rainbow. Can I have
Oh no, your fingers.
Help me.
Try wiggling them.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. They're not moving. Ah!
Wiggle them more.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. They're not working.
Keep wiggling.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Ah! They're still stuck.
Yeah. Oh no! Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
You need to solve the windows that are green.
Okay,
What
what's
is green?
grass is green.
And what else?
Trees are green.
And what else?
This box is green.
And what else?
These eggs are green.
And what else? Bushes.
Oh, bushes. Right.
What else?
This part of the Tupperware is green.
There's still blue windows now. What's blue around
This part of your smock is blue.
here? And this one?
And that side too.
And this.
These particular eggs. And the sky sky is blue.
Yeah, and what else?
That part of Baby Boy's smock is blue.
And what else?
This chair is blue. It's still stuck. You know what that means?
What?
You're turning into slime.
No, I cannot be! I don't want to turn into slime. I want to see my family. Let's cover the eggs.
Oh no, the slime just ate that egg.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. You'll never get out. You're glued to the table. He will never get out. He's glued to the table.
What do you have? What's that? Stick?